Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. On 24th of June, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price action of Dogecoin is completing a very big harmonic bullish reversal pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And this was the pattern that I shared, and I suggested my members that we can use the 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame as a stop loss in order to minimize the risk factor. Now let me show you this chart, and you can see that at that time the 25 simple moving average was at 18 cents, and the price action tested this 25 simple moving average. And now if I play the chart, then you can see that the price action has started a very big move, and so far it has rallied up to 28 cents. That is more than 54% rally so far. And in today's video, I want to show you how the price action can break out all-time high, that is approximately 73.9 cents, and the price action can set a new high after this move that has been just started. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here previously I told you that we have a very strong key level support here at 16 cents, and you can see that the price action tested the support here and here and here as well, and finally the price action has recently broken out the next resistance of 26 cents. Now after that we have the next resistance at 36 cents, then 45, then 55, and this will be our final resistance at 70 cents. And recently, this is very important development, that we have received a bull cross between the exponential moving averages 10 and 21. This blue one is the EMA 10 and this red one is the EMA 21 on the daily time frame. And we can see that recently this blue line, the EMA 10, has crossed up this EMA 21. That is the buying signal by the exponential moving averages, and previously we received this buying signal here, and after that we had a very powerful and massive rally towards the upside. Now if we take a look at the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25 and 200 here, 50 and 100 simple moving averages, then the price action has broken out recently this 50 simple moving average. Previously the price action tested this 200. This yellow one is the 200 and this blue one is the 25 simple moving average, and this green one is 50 and this red one is 100. And the price action tested this 200 simple moving average as a support, moved sideways, and now finally having a very nice bounce, and we have the next resistance of 100 simple moving average. And now the 25 simple moving average is moving sideways. Soon it will be move up and it will form a cross with 50 simple moving average. But I am waiting for the movement when the price action will, when the moving averages will form this shape. Like previously we had here, we had the smallest time period 25 above all, then we had the 50, then 100 and the 200. That is the biggest time period moving average was below all, and this is a perfect formation of an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages, and the price line started a very big move after that. So I'm just waiting for this signal that will be a very long-term buying signal for the Dogecoin. At this time we can see that recently we were expecting a death cross between the 50 and 200 here, but certainly the 50 simple moving average has changed its move from downside to the sideways. Therefore we can now avoid this death cross. Now if we move to the weekly time frame chart, this is very important, and this is why I'm expecting that the price action can break out the all-time high and it can set the new high. Previously we have seen that this is the MACD indicator, this is the stochastic oscillator, and when the stochastic entered the oversold zone, it was oversold here and gave us the bull cross. This blue line of stochastic cross of this red line here, and after that we received a buying signal by this MACD as well. Here you can see the MACD was very strong bearish, and then here it turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and after that the price action started a very massive rally that was more than 27,000% big rally. Same kind of signal we have received again. Like here, the stochastic entered the oversold zone, and recently the MACD. As in my previous video, I told you that I'm waiting for this big bullish signal, and after that, the price action can start a very big move. And we can see that recently we have received this very powerful big bullish signal that the MACD on the weekly time frame chart has started turning bullish, and the stochastic has given us the buying signal from the oversold. Like previously we have received such signals, and that was more than 27,000% rally. And this time we're not only having these signals, we are also having this very big bullish harmonic pattern formation on the weekly time frame, and the price action has started the big move from this buying zone. And the sell target as per the Fibonacci sequence are of this bullish cipher are 31.5 cents to 50 cents. However, I'm expecting that after when this bullish move like it has been started now, and we are also receiving such a bullish signals, the price action can break out all-time high, and it can set the new all-time high very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then you can use the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.